Hi guys, yesterday I played badminton 2 hours, felt great, but today I woke up, everything hurts, arms, legs, back, even muscles I forget I had. This is what happens when you didn't exercise for months, but I still did my weekend choice. Cleaned, tidied up. Yes, slowly, very slowly. And tonight, I'm going to the mall because honestly, weekend alone at home feels too quiet. Bunko is outside. People are outside. So I should be too. Day 147. Sore body, but still showing up. So, do you exercise regularly? See you tomorrow. Bye.